Hey everyone. So, is your microphone not working on Slack? Maybe you're trying to join a voice call, record a message, or share audio, but Slack isn't picking up your voice. That can be super frustrating, especially if you rely on Slack calls for team communication. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix the Slack microphone not working issue in 2026, and most of these fixes are quick and simple. First, make sure your microphone is properly connected. If you're using an external mic, check that it's plugged in correctly or connected via Bluetooth. Next, check Slack's microphone settings. Make sure the correct device is selected and Slack has permission to access your microphone. Also, verify your computer's system settings. On Windows, go to Sound Settings and confirm your microphone is active. On Mac, check System Preferences, Arrow Sound Input. Sometimes Slack just needs a restart. Close the app completely and open it again, then test your microphone. Make sure you're using the latest version of Slack. Older versions may have bugs that affect audio input. To rule out hardware issues, try using your microphone in another app like Zoom or Voice Recorder. If it works there, the issue is likely with Slack settings. If all else fails, uninstall Slack and reinstall it. This installs a fresh version and often resolves persistent microphone problems. And that's it. Most Slack microphone issues can be fixed by checking your device connections, verifying permissions, or updating the app. If this guide helped you, check out more quick troubleshooting tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.